Thought I saw you in class. You remember me?
Mm-hmm.
All right, then what's my name?
Joyce Simdars.
And you're Joe Rantz.
Oh.
What's wrong with you?
Nothing, just a little stiff.
It looks it. How come?
We rode boats till it almost killed us.
What? I remember because you had a huge crush on me in the 4th grade.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. You made me this pretty little card with some flowers stuffed in it. You're welcome, Joe Rantz.
Thank you.
So what are you doing here, Joe?
I'm trying to learn engineering.
I'm gonna be a teacher. Mostly here just to get away from home, though. You still remember me?
Mm-hmm.
Wasn't sure. Haven't seen you much lately.
Just been busy with stuff,
Growing stuff.
mostly.
Who's this?
I'm Roger.
Hi, Roger. I'm Joyce. This is Joe, but he's not real talkative right now because he's a little bit nervous.
No, I'm not. No,
He is
I'm not.
a little nervous. I heard Roger say that they're announcing the team today. Are you gonna make it?
There's a lot of guys trying.
You wanna take me on a boat ride when you do?
Sure.
Nice seeing you again, Joe. Roger. By the way, did you ever get over that crush?
Hey,
Hi.
you wanna go for a boat ride?
Now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm changing. Eyes on the wall.
Here, look. You roll your wrists, go spin the oar. You see?
I bet you win every race.
You're natural.
I thought you said you were gonna take me on a boat ride.
All right, scooch over.
Don't get all stuck up and everything. Oh, I just kept that in case I ever ran into you again. And had to, prove that you had that crush on me, like I said. Do you like it, rowing?
Well, getting a job out of it. And a room, so I guess.
You're all gonna be famous. And you really will forget about me?
I don't think I could if I tried.
Miss Simdars, open this door.
You should go. I can't believe you're going to the Olympics.
We gotta beat those other schools first, but coach says we have as good a shot as anybody.
You can't flirt with any of those New York girls.
Gotta go. Could I say hello to my girl Joyce back home?
I'll let you wear the gold medal when I get back. That's right, folks. We'll be bringing the gold medal home for all of us back in Washington.